So let's face it, pretty much every single one of us or every single person that you talk to is probably overwhelmed. They're probably too busy. They're probably consuming way too much caffeine. They're probably overstimulated, and they probably have a pretty bad phone addiction. I was trying to do 100 different things and I wasn't doing anything good. I was going to bed late every night. I was getting up in the morning, chugging coffee all day. I'm not focusing on what I should have been. Felt like I was working hard, but I was getting absolutely nothing accomplished. So what I did basically is I just stepped back from my life for a little bit, took a bird's eye view and thought about, what do I want my life to look like? What do I want my life to represent? How do I want to show up? What do I want to be? I started designing my life the way I wanted it to be. Now, I made a big improvement in just 3 weeks by the grace of God, of course, but I wasn't drinking. I wasn't doing drugs, but this can be just as dangerous. Drinking too much caffeine can be just as dangerous. So I'm telling you, the last 3 weeks of my life have been absolutely amazing. All I want to do is help somebody out there. 4 areas that I decided that I want to focus on. One of them was faith. I wasn't giving God the first part of my day. I was just like you. I was waking up in the morning. I was reaching for my phone. I was getting distracted. I was scrolling. I was answering DMs. I was checking social medias. I was doing anything and everything that I knew to do to get out of the responsibilities that I had in this life. I start my day now. I get up at 6:30 on the dot. No excuses. I jump out of the bed. I do a quick little 2-3 minute workout. I drink some water. I eat some breakfast. I grab some decaf. I said decaf. I read and I pray. I try to walk with God before I even talk to anybody, before I even start my day, before I even pick this thing up. I've done a pretty good job in staying off of my phone. If you don't win the morning, you already lost the day. And I needed to focus on my family. Now, I've been there for my family, but I was there, but my mind was in 10,000 different other places, and I wasn't present, and I wasn't showing up, and I wasn't listening to them, and I wasn't being the man that I was supposed to be. And I can't even tell you all the stories here on this video about friends and relationships and people, just random people I've met. The thing is finances. Now, we all have to focus on this area. And I thought I was doing good. I wasn't being strategic. I was wasting one of my most valuable commodities, my time. And I've been getting way more done in less time just because I'm focused. We all need to focus on taking better care of ourselves, mentally, physically, spiritually. We need to eat better. We need to exercise more. We need to get proper sleep. We don't need to be taking things that would harm our body. We need to focus on our fitness as well. So look, for me, this is just 4 areas that I've been focusing on. I've cut out completely almost all the caffeine out of my life. I wasn't drinking anyway. I wasn't doing drugs. That's another story. But still, I had a lot of vices. I had a lot of addictions. I had a lot of things that was grabbing my time, and I wasn't who I was supposed to be. So this is my message for you today. It's okay. Slow down, calm down, take a look at your life, take a look at what's really important to you. Quit spending so much time consuming content. What I'm telling you is I want you to show up for you. You're not going to find the answer on one of these videos. You're not going to find some guru out there with flashy edits and loud music and cuts every half a second. You're not going to find the answer there. You're going to find the answer in here. And that's what I'm telling you. Show up for yourself. I love you. Take care, everybody. If you found any value, if you related to this in any way, all you got to do is like the video. Drop me a comment down below if you want to see more content like this. Subscribe. Hey, take care of yourself. I love you. I'll catch you on the next video.